That's 3 meters of material gone. Alright, since the last clip I got a little bit carried away and I got the door wrapped and the rest of the car done and prepped. Sweet. I was going to get the other door done. Like to do a test panel or two just to make sure the material's working how it should be. I've already given it a quick clean, however it can still get dusty. So first order of business. Just fill it up. The door done. Alright, we've got a fresh new battery. And I've got the bumper all prepped and ready. Sweet. Alright, for the most part, it is done. Now those little bits I pointed out, yeah, there's not much we can do, but yeah, it's alright. Alright, we got the bonnet. Where's my knife? Right, those rock chips they're not really visible, which I'm happy about. There was one around here, I can't see anything. Sweet. Would you know, nothing's going right today. Awesome. Don't know how that got there. And awesome. That's 3 meters of material gone. If you can't get it right, you gotta do it again. I guess next option, zero dust. I was thinking maybe it flicked out from underneath with all the static, kind of grabs all the dust and pulls it. So hopefully minimizing it as much as I can. I don't know if I can pick it up on the camera. There's little specking of like iron or something that won't come out of the paint. I don't know if you're seeing any of that. I try my best to get as much out. It doesn't feel like anything's there. There's some I can feel it's grabbing on my skin, but it won't come out. Hopefully it'll be good. I'll Pop it on time lapse again and we'll go from there. Alright, we've just done some basic inlays for the rear bar, and there's just some things we have to worry about as it's been resprayed before. There might have been a nudge or something. This is clean, nothing's coming off. Get ready to do that, and updates with this. Ooh, door jambs are all good. Boot is all good. Just need to put the wing back on. Easiest for last. Those fenders are going to be annoying though. They were a pain to get off. You have to half take off the side skirts just to get these two bottom bolts. Just because of this. Don't know why the car designed it like this, but pretty lame. Chuck it on time lapse because I need to focus. Alright, there's noise outside, so I'm going to be quick. Got a little bit distracted and kind of finish off the rest of the car. Looking very nice, wings attached. Just waiting on the front bar to get painted, or just the sensors get painted. But I'm just going to get ready with ceramic coating on here. I've mopped up the floor just to minimize dust, just to help make sure the panels aren't contaminated while cleaning it and coating it. These are the headlights that have been tinted. Minimal, but makes a good difference, especially on a black. Red doesn't stick out as much and it just fits in this nice blacked out look. Very clean.